Hello friends, it's Annette from Lockwell, and today we are going to talk about SEO, what it means and why it even matters for your law firm. So everybody hears about SEO. Some people don't know what it stands for. It stands for Search Engine Optimization. What's that? Okay, so what that is Google. Let's be honest, it's almost always Google. There are other search engines like Bing, but everybody's trying to rank on Google. So search engine optimization, SEO, is when you are trying to get your law firm optimized on that search engine to get to the very, very top so that people aren't scrolling through, 10 pages on Google to find your law firm. So SEO is not just one thing. It's kind of a holistic approach to helping your law firm get to the top of Google. 80% of all people that are looking for law firms are going to use a search engine to do it. And 72% of people only contact one law firm after their search. So you want to be that one law firm. And 62% of the people that are performing this search are doing it with the type of law and then the location of the law firm. So you want to think about that as you're writing your articles, as you're putting in your meta descriptions, and we'll talk about that another time, but basically that's just a little tiny snippet that tells Google an overview of what that particular article or section of your website is about. And the great thing about law firms, the one thing that they have to their advantage is the fact that most people look for law firms with the intention of looking for a specific location. So they're looking for a bankruptcy attorney in Phoenix, Arizona, or they're looking for a personal injury attorney in Minnesota. So you want to make sure that you are ranking and including everything you can throughout your website to show exactly where you are geographically, because that's typically what we found how people search for law firms. The other thing that you're going to want to do that is really important for SEO is to establish a Google My Business page. And we're going to go more in depth in a different video on that. But Google My Business is really important. If you do not have your Google My Business page set up yet, please go do that right now. And they will send you a code, usually in the mail, that then you confirm that that is your business. But you absolutely want to be doing that because SEO is holistic. So Google is going to look at how many people go to your website. How long do they stay on your website? Do they think it's a good source of information, or are they jumping away? That's called the bounce rate. If they jump away really fast, you don't want a high bounce rate. Is the content that you have on your website exhibiting that you are an expert? So Google wants to see people who have authority, titles, Esquire, behind their name, or that they have accolades or different awards. So you want to promote that on your website as well, because Google will then see you as an authority and serve your law firm up first. So it is a holistic approach. I think a lot of times people just hear SEO and I think they just think blog posts, or maybe they think I've just gotta get the right keyword to get at the top and then that's it. But actually Google is much smarter than that, and they're not quite our robot overlords yet, but they do have these little Google bots kind of, crawling through everything that relates to your website, and that even includes reviews, which we'll talk about another time as well. But I just wanted to explain that SEO, which is search engine optimization, is not just getting that one particular page to rank. It's showing Google a holistic picture that you and your law firm are truly the best answer to whatever question your potential client might be asking. So if you have any questions about SEO, just put a comment right down below and I'll try to get to it and answer you. So thanks a lot for listening. Bye guys.